Hey there, David Teal. We're back in the Popwood shop for a pretty cool tip. Actually, this is kind of a tool tip, and it's one that I think you'll be able to find a lot of uses for. Most folks are familiar with using dowels to make joinery. Usually you have a dowel jig like this that you drill into with a collar, and it makes a hole that gives you a place to put your dowels, which is great when you're doing joinery into two pieces that are on the same surface, such as this. Two more holes here, it slides together, not a problem. But if you're working on a project like this, where you've got a leg coming down underneath it from a flat surface, you can't put the guide across here, so that doesn't work. The jig doesn't work across this width either, so we have a solution. The answer to our problem is a tool that's actually been around for a while. They're called dowel centers. It's these two little guys here. Well, actually there's sets of them in different sizes to match the diameter of your dowels. You can buy a set for about 10 bucks that's got multiple sizes, so you're set up for lots of work. What you do is you take the dowel center and you drop it into the location that was already drilled for the dowel on this piece. Get it set like that. Now you come over to your flat piece like this, and normally I'd have some kind of a guiding line, but for an example here we're just going to wing it. What you do is you're guessing where you want to be. You come up with it like this. The tips dig in. You take a mallet and you've got your locations marked. Then you bring your drill bit in that's the right diameter for the dowel. It's got its collar, its stop collar in place. Line up your point and drill until the collar stops it. Now, we'd be putting glue on this, of course, but in our case, we just put our dowels in place, line them up, bring it home, and you've located a dowel joint in the center of a piece without having to measure hardly anything, thanks to our little dowel centers. So that's our tip for today.